Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm on a special place. Some memories from the Bosnian War. I think you can guess what's behind me, but let me introduce it to you quickly. On October 22nd, 1992, and in the Bosnian War, the Serbian forces of Republika Srpska, they came up to something new with armored train. So not far from here, there used to be lines between Bosnian army and Republika Srpska soldiers. So they came up with the idea, like I said, to build up armored train. So they tried on a different size to distract their Bosnian army. So the few soldiers, they heard something very loudly. So they've been kind of like joking, hey, is this like a train coming? And one of them says, no, those are like tanks coming in. And one of them says like no, this is like a train coming down. So they checked and they see the train coming down here, armored train, something that wasn't seen before in the Bosnian War. So we're gonna go and check this beast that was later on destroyed by the Bosnian army. So follow me and look at this. We're gonna check it in and out. Here's short introduction, like I said, October 22nd, 1992, the 107 Brigade and the 2nd Army Corps, they stopped the armored train that was equipped airplane, and the grenades. Oh wow, this is all kind of stuff. I don't even know what they pronounce, what they call it even in English, So maybe afterwards you might want to Google it down and look, And they even had like a food, ammunition, all kind of stuff in there. I remember reading about it, and they said that they captured 900 grenades, and they even kind of the army was kind of a joking between each other, In that time, what they captured for 900 grenades, the even 2nd Corps of the Bosnian army did not have that much of the grenades. Imagine that. So let's go check this beast. Okay, let's go inside here, see what we got. Oh wow. See how it look like. Oh, so they used to have like a guns right out here and pointing at the army. There's like a roof that you can open up, but not anymore. Oh, this thing is huge. Oh wow. They used to be literally artillery grenade up here. Oh, some of it's still kind of saved. Oh wow. 40 millimeters. They didn't go too far. They went in, they got stopped, and they got, oh, this door we can open up, and they got stuck. So literally they got stuck, surrendered, stopped, destroyed. You still can see some of the shelling and the bombing from the Bosnian army. You're gonna see some more of it down here. Yeah, they took all this off. I think we see a lizard down here. Oh yeah, this is another one. You see right there, like a hole. Another one here. You can tell the grenade came down here, bang, and it kind of explode. So it seems to be he hit right here in between in a layers, because you can tell they double this layers. That's why it's called armored train. But it seems to be like a hit like a perfect spot and kind of like a split right there. See what else they got here. Oh yeah, there's another hole. Yeah. Some doors. So you can tell like all these holes. Oh, you can see how it kind of like a bandit right there. All these holes and all these shooting, you know, and that it was kind of like a heavy, fierce fighting right up here. Oh, there's another part right here. Oh, this thing is huge. It doesn't seem to maybe big, but it is a huge. You know, if you build something like this, especially like with extra layers, I seen earlier. I'm gonna try to record that like a. Oh, maybe that's it right there. Like it had like extra protection underneath in case it kind of like hits like a mine or something. You can look at this right here, double layer, right here. There's some more stuff out there too. So they had a plan, go in there and make a huge mess. Like I said, imagine that, 900 grenades, food, artilleries, you name it. Look at this big hole right there. Even see, like, look at these layers. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a hole to go out there. Another door. And this is like a part of the train end depths right there. So this is the other half. So we're gonna try to go down there. Hopefully I'm not gonna break the leg or something else. It seems to be, I'm not sure, that this part right here used to be like a bait. So when they go in, you know, they're gonna get scared and they're gonna start shooting here and destroying. So, or maybe they had something here on the top that was taken down. Look at this. No way came with it. So this thing is sitting here like for 31 years already. And it's gonna be sitting much longer. As you can see, it was planned to go in this direction. We're gonna take few more minutes recording from this side so everybody can see what we got here. It's pretty much impressive. Here's the one detail. You can see how he kind of like a feel off from the rails down on the ground. So I don't know if that's maybe like during the shootout, bombing or whatever, you know. But kind of like they stopped there. The Bosnian army, they did what they had to do. They did a great job. They did an excellent job. If this thing has come down to the Gradačac, you know, if he has like he made it, the plan was, you know, like keep going down there, it would be devastating. Look at this right here. Separated. Some visitors right here. They're not the only ones. We're gonna go through the train on this side. seems to be that most suffering came from this side. Look at these layers that I was showing you earlier. Look at this. These layers of steel. It seems to be that has been like blowing from inside out, but it was kind of like went through. See, the part of the railroad was kind of like destroyed, so we don't know it's like from the shootout or kind of like when it fell down from the train tracks. Right there, you can see right there, fell off from a train tracks. Right there, this part of the train stayed on, kind of got disconnected a bit right here. So this part stayed on, but I couldn't keep going. Look at this part right here. Wow.